Hi there beauties, in this video I am going to share with you my top tips and tricks for getting thicker eyebrows naturally at home. I know many of us struggle with thin and fierce eyebrows, but worry not, because with a few simple tips you can transform your brows into fuller and more beautiful ones. So let's get started. Tip 1. Castor oil. One of the best natural remedies for thicker eyebrows is castor oil. This oil is rich in vitamin E and fatty acid which nourish the hair follicles and promote hair growth. To use it, simply apply a small amount of castor oil to your eyebrows before going to bed and leave it on overnight. Tip 2. Aloe vera. Another great ingredient for thicker eyebrows is aloe vera. Aloe vera contains enzymes that stimulate hair growth and also nourish and strengthen the hair follicle. To use it, extract gel from an aloe vera leaf and apply it to your eyebrows, leaving it on for 30 minutes before washing it off with warm water. Repeat this process twice a week for best results. Tip 3. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is not only great for your skin and hair, but it is an excellent remedy for thicker eyebrows. Coconut oil is rich in fatty acids and vitamin E, which help to nourish and moisturize hair follicles and promoting growth and thickness. Simply apply a small amount of coconut oil to your eyebrows and massage it gently. Tip 4. Egg yolk. Egg yolk are rich in biotin, which is vital nutrient for hair growth. To use egg yolk for thicker eyebrows, simply beat one egg yolk in a bowl and apply it to your eyebrows with a cotton swab. Leave it on for 20 minutes before washing it off with warm water. Repeat this process once a week for best results. Conclusion. So there you have it. It is my top tips and tricks for getting thicker eyebrows naturally at home. Remember to be patient, as it may take few weeks or even months to see significant results. But with consistent use of these natural remedies, you will be on your way to thicker, fuller and more beautiful eyebrows in no time. Thanks for watching, and you don't forget to like and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks.